Hello my dear friends, hope you all fine. In this video I am talking about the match number 29 of Big Bash League, which is playing between Brisbane Heat versus Hobart Hurricanes. So guys, in this video, this match is playing on Sunday in 7th January at 1:45 PM in Indian Standard Time. So guys, in this video I will give you all the match preview, all the points table situations of both of teams, head-to-head comparison and pre-lineup team and fantasy tips which is more beneficial for your create fantasy team. So guys, first of all we will look ahead and check this points table situation of both of teams. If you talk about the Hobart Hurricanes, Brisbane Heat, they played 7 matches and they won 5 match win and in the top on the points table. And Hobart Hurricanes, they played 6 matches where he won 3 match register and he is the 5th position on the points table. So guys, this is a totally overall points table situation of both of teams. Let's move ahead and talk about the venue analysis, which is pitch report. So this match is playing on Gabba in Brisbane, Australia. So if you talk about the pitch and condition, this is totally balanced pitch. A total 10 matches have been in this venue, where batting first won 7 matches and bowling first won 3 matches in this venue. So guys, if you talk about the average score is 166 in this venue, and winning the toss and bowling first would be right decision in this venue according to pitch situation. So guys, this is overall match venue and pitch report. Let's move ahead and talk about the both of teams head-to-head comparison, where total 22 matches have been playing in both of teams, where Brisbane Heat won 9 matches and Hobart Hurricanes won 13 matches in head-to-head comparison. So guys, this is overall head-to-head comparison where Hobart Hurricanes is looking much more stronger than Brisbane Heat, but in points table situation Brisbane Heat is the great form in this BBL series. So guys, this is very interesting to who will won this match. And let's move ahead and talk about the possible playing 11 of both of teams. First of all, we will talk about the Brisbane Heat possible playing 11, where Josh Brown and Colin Munro probably open the inning, and Swansea will come on first down. Matt Renshaw, Sam Billing, Paul Walter and Mitchell Nasser will handle the middle order of Brisbane Heat, where Mitchell Swepson and Matthew Kuhneman will handle the spinning attack of Brisbane Heat, and Xavier Bartlett and Spencer Johnson will handle the pacing attack from Brisbane Heat. So guys, this is all about the possible playing 11 of Brisbane Heat. Let's move ahead and talk about the opponent team, which is Hobart Hurricanes, where Caleb Jebel and Ben McDermott will probably open the inning. Mac White will come on first down. Sam Hain, Anderson, Tim David, Nikhil Chaudhary and Chris Jordan will handle the middle order of Hobart Hurricanes. Patrick Dolly and Nathan Ince and Riley Meredith will handle the bowling attack from Hobart Hurricanes. So guys, this is totally about the possible playing 11 of both of teams. Let's move ahead and talk about the fantasy tips of both of teams, where guys, looking at the pitch behavior, picking top order batsman would be crucial here. You can pick top order batsmen in your fantasy teams, and death over bowlers are always excellent wicket taker in fantasy team. They can change game anytime, so you can pick death over bowlers in your fantasy teams. In wicket keeping section, Ben McDermott is the best choice. I am also picking in my team, in my fantasy team, to back McDermott because he will come on first downs. They can more potential to gain more fantasy point in your fantasy team. So guys, pacers play major role in this venue. You can also pick pacers in your fantasy teams. Let's move ahead and talk about the Polysports pre-lineup fantasy team. So guys, from the wicket keeping sections, I am picking back McDermott, which is the best choice from wicket keeping sections. From the batting sections, I am picking Colin Munro and Matt White. All-rounder sections, I am picking Mitchell Nasser, Chris Jordan, Paul Walter and Nikhil Chaudhary. This is my combinations of all-rounder choice. And from the bowling sections, I am picking Brisbane Heat 3 bowlers and 1 bowler of Hobart Hurricanes, which is Captain Nathan Ince, Matthew Kuhneman, Xavier Bartlett and Mitchell Swepson. This is my combinations of 4 bowlers, where My captain choice is Paul Walter, vice captain choice is Xavier Bartlett. So guys, this will totally favor of Brisbane Heat teams, you can also give a chance to Chris Jordan as a captain or vice captain, and also Colin Munro and Beck McDowell are also a great choice for your Grand League combination. So guys, this is my pre-lineup team. After lineup, final team will post on my Telegram channel in Fantasy Tracker. You can join Telegram channel from the descriptions. I will put the Telegram channel link on description. So guys, bye bye guys, meet you in next video. Bye bye and take care.